When we're talking about things that are currently happening, like walking and singing and running, basically English words ending in ing are Samoan words that use the olo'o tense marker. Remember that tense markers work with the verb phrase to change the tense of a phrase. For example, look at the Samoan word for play, ka'alo. To change ka'alo, or play, to playing, we have to add the tense marker olo'o in front of the action word. So olo'o ka'alo is playing. The olo'o is the currently happening tense marker. And it doesn't just have to be English words that end in ing. Recall that words that describe nouns and action words can also be in the action or main idea phrase. So if I'm currently happy, then olo'o fiafia'o. If you're currently sad, olo'o fa'no no oi. Like all tense markers, it appears before a verb or main idea, and it changes the tense of the entire phrase. This is how you'll boost your Samoan big time in 2 days. Think of 10 things that you do every day. It can be feelings that you have, actions that you do, read, sit, talk. If you're angry, if you're happy, just learn 10 words. Anytime you read a book, think or say out loud, olo'o faikau kusia'u. The verb is faikau or faitau, which is read. Tusi is book, and a'u, that's a way to say I or me. If you're happy, think to yourself, olo'o fiafia'u. If you're running, olo'o kamo'ea'u. Do that with all of the tense markers that you learn, and try to increase your action words by 10 a week. Olea e ofo ilo fa Samoa ina ue lua vai aso. Aftai tele lau mo le awanoa, mo le ue le aso.